Problem number 27, remove element. You are given an array of integers called nums and value called val. Your task is to remove all occurrences of val from the array in place and return the number of elements k that are not equal to that value. To fulfill this task, we need to do three things. The first thing is the first k elements of the array must be the elements that are not equal to val. The order of the elements in the resulting array doesn't matter at all. The remaining elements in the array beyond k can be ignored or replaced with underscore. Okay, you must achieve this in O of n complexity and O of 1 space complexity, as modifications must be in place. Okay, what should be our approach? Our approach, we can use like a two-pointer technique to solve this problem efficiently. Like we can use k for placement, like initialize k to keep track of where the next non-val element should be placed. We will iterate through the array. For each element in the array, we have our second pointer. If the element is not equal to val, we copy it to nums of k and increment k, and we return the count k. After the loop, k will represent the count of elements that are not equal to value. So this is the thing. So it's a pretty simple way. So first, let's create our pointer. Let k equals 0, and we will return that k, because k will be the count of elements that are not equal to value. And in the middle, we make a loop for, we say let I equal 0 and I less than nums dot length and I plus plus. And here I would say if nums of I doesn't equal value, nums of k will equals nums of I, and k will be plus plus. Okay, here we place the non-val element at the index k and we increase k, so we will go to the next element. Okay, let's make an example to walk through this one. Let's assume we have, this is our element, which is input nums 3 2 2 3, and the value is 3. So the first step, we have nums of 0, because we say nums of k, nums of 0, because k is 0 at the beginning, will equals to 3. And in this one, when we go to the for loop here, nums of I actually equals val. So we skip this if statement and we continue in the loop. After that, we have k still equals 0, but I equals 1. So I will be here. So nums of I right now doesn't equal k. So nums of k will equal nums of I. So it will be like that. And k will be plus plus. So k right now will equals 1. And we continue again in the next one, in the next placement, which will be right now I will equals 2, which nums of I, which here doesn't equal val, so we replace it here, so it will be 2. So k, it will equals right now to 2. And we go on and so forth. So right now k equals 2 and we have 3, and the nums of k, we skip the value, so k equals 2 and we return k. So k, the first two elements are the elements that doesn't equal to value. And this is how it works. Let's submit the code and see if it will work in the best way possible or not. It actually worked in the best way possible. This is a great news. Yeah, was a pretty straightforward, simple solution and simple problem. And I would say these type of problems, it's an easy starter for you to just start to get your hands dirty with LeetCode. And yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the future videos.